Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zayn and today we'll be having a look at the Polestar Precept. This is being turned into the Polestar 5, a luxurious sedan that is built by Polestar specifically to compete against the likes of the Tesla Model S and the Porsche Taycan. Now recently Polestar has released a video footage on YouTube, and this basically details the development of the Polestar 3. This vehicle is currently going through Aerodynamics efficiency. They're basically building real models of these vehicles and putting them into wind tunnels. This is to determine how the normal air outside will affect the car. This will help to determine if the car is designed to be its most aerodynamically efficiency as can be as possible. Almost every Formula 1 team, they do wind tunnel testing almost all year round when developing new parts and new cars for new season. And of course it's very popular in the road car industry as well, especially with EVs, because the more aerodynamically efficient your EV can be, simply put, the longer range it will accomplish, which in turn means that customers will be happier with a car that can last longer in terms of mileage. Aerodynamics have played a large part in the automotive world. Wind takes on even more importance, with aspects like drag having a subsequent efficiency on range. Given Polestar aerospace influences and a design language that optimizes aerodynamically efficiency from the beginning, it's no surprise that Polestar has boasted impressive airflows credentials. The drawing board is where the elements are created, the wind tunnel is where they're tested. See them fire up for fans in episode 5 of the Polestar Precept, From Concept to Car. And right now this vehicle is in development within the UK. A well-detailed blog post on the aluminum unibody of the Polestar 5. This car is in development in the UK and they're working on everything from the chassis, the interior of the body, the exterior of the body. They're working on everything and they're keeping us well updated, which is something I do appreciate. And back when they published this article, they essentially said, aluminum doesn't get enough credit. Yes, it seems widespread use in a variety of everyday items like cans, sidings, and utensils. It may technically be common metal, but it's plenty precious to us. Not least because it's lightweight, rigid, and highly recyclable, especially when it's bonded, like in case of the Polestar 5. Bonded aluminum unibody does away with the mixed metal structure, and the 3,500 to 4,000 rivets normally used in a traditional manufacturing, making use of the adhesive and woven curving instead, while boasting some serious advantage. It has previously proven difficult for mass production, both labor intensive and challenging to scale up without sacrificing quality. Bonded aluminum has been restricted to the rare field airflow volume performance cars. That is until the Polestar UK R&D team developed a new method, applying their combined experience from worlds of Formula 1 and bespoke sports car to create a process which developed both body and platform in unison. Now this combines Polestar 5 platform and body is predicted to weigh less than cars from smaller segments, increasing range, responsiveness while maintaining the highest safety standards. Additionally, this is innovation allowing for a high degree of design flexibility, as adjustments for factors like different wheelbases can be achieved with comparative ease. Now this is Polestar's first in-house platform, developed to the same exacting standards as everything else Polestar. This enables the creation of production car Polestar 5 that is close as a possibility to the Precept concept car that was by Polestar, that inspired the Polestar 5. And this car is specifically targeting the likes of the Porsche Taycan, the Tesla Model S, and the e-tron, the e-tron GT. The new car being engineered at the base in Midlands, where Polestar is ramping up work on car and the team there. It currently employs 280 people, but that's set to double in the UK over the coming months. So they're not just ramping up production and development of this car, they're expanding their team that's working on this car. The Polestar 5 was previewed by the Precept 2022 and is set for an almost identical concept car in our images. in our pictures. We aim to deliver a car close to the design concept as possible, and that was said by Thomas Ingeluth, Polestar CEO. Now, key to the performance of the new car in the UK developed bonded aluminium platform. Now, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I do hope you've enjoyed this update on the Polestar 5 development as it is right now. Polestar is keeping up well updated, which is great, and I'm keeping you updated as well. So thank you for watching, subscribe to see more, and of course I will see you in my next video.